Welcome back. It is spring. Spring has sprung. You guys know I love floral. We're going to be talking about all things spring today, what I'm packing in my suitcase for spring, some things we're getting out around the house for spring, and all that good stuff. So stay tuned. That's what we're doing on the show today. Guys, happy spring. I want to start by saying, can we take a moment for this cute little egg here? And not only do I have one of these, this little chandelier-ish looking cake stand thing you see back here. My mom, who's now passed away, but during her life, she was an artist. And she has made me so many beautiful things through the years for each season. So I get to honor her as we go through the seasons. But this is they're all different. Isn't that crazy? And they're all fabric. It's amazing. So that is my first seasonal find. In fact, let me give you a closer look at this real quick. I wouldn't even know how to tell you how to make these. I have no idea. I do know how to sew, barely, but not good enough to pull this girl off, right? Okay, let me put her back on her little stand. I think I got the stand at Pottery Barn in case you want to make your own eggs. I think that was years ago, though I'm sure it's probably not available anymore. But I wanted to start with one of those. I've just been having a good time with not just the stuff that my mom made me over the years, but also we were in Michigan and kind of going through the process of clearing out my parents' condo and found so many little treasures. So we'll be sharing those on the channel going forward because real luxury is not just about things you buy at the store. I know we're going to talk about some of those today too, but it's about really taking care of the things that have history and memory. And as a world traveler, one of the things that I love about my house is in every corner, it's I got that in Spain, I got that in Ireland, I got that in Mexico. And it's just how you build your life, both style wise and how you curate your home, I think should be a collaboration and really reflect how you've lived your life, right? That really is true luxury. So as we're on the channel today, I'm going to share some other fun things that I pulled out. Some are old, some are new. Oh, and we will have a little unboxing today. Dior got me with the "it's the last one available" trick on the website, and it is showing sold out, but they have this in a different color. I'll show you guys what it is. We'll do that in a few minutes. But I just wanted to share a few of the fun things. I've been traveling a lot lately, and I'm gearing up to travel, going a huge trip next month all through UK. Stay tuned for that. It's going to be a ton of fun. Paris, we're going to Paris, which is really exciting as well. And I've been thinking about all the things. I have a very finite things that I carry in my suitcase and in my carry-on bag. And I'm I just have a very dialed in system as a world traveler, but I'm refreshing it for spring as well. So some of these things are things that are going in my carry-on. I'm also going to talk about a few things I found online that I think are so cute, even if I don't pick them up this year. But let's start with, since we're on airport bag convo, I shared these with you guys at Christmas. So these are, I think it's Elizabeth Scarlett. Hang on, I got to remember the name. Yeah, Elizabeth Scarlett. I love these. So I know there's a thing online where people talk about their purse bowl, where they bring their purse home and they throw all the stuff in a bowl, and then they just throw it in the next purse. Well, I've found, because my life moves really quickly, I have a few purses that I'll rotate in a season. So I actually have 3 or 4 of these little pouches, and I'll have one in each purse. I'll have one that's just kind of I don't have a purse bowl. I have a purse drawer where I put stuff, but I have them there. And I also have one for my travel bag. So I carry these and they all have the same thing in them. And I think this is such a smart thing. So even if you have one, or you have 3 or 4 because you're crazy like I am, and I just like to have stuff so organized, but all of them have the same exact thing. So I'll share with you really quickly. I always have $20 all in 5s for valet money, right? So I don't carry a ton of cash, but I always have $20 all in 5s. Always, we got to have a hand sanitizer. So of course I'm refreshing out for spring. I love these Touchland ones because they go in flat in my suitcase and they stick in there. I have a lens cleaner for my glasses, always. Always a hair tie because you need that on the airplane. I always usually have either a chapstick or a lip gloss or both. I am obsessed with Clarins. You guys, I've been using, oh wait, this is Origins. Wait, oh, this is actually a lotion. I thought it was Clarins' little lip thing. This is one that I got in my stocking. So I shared with you guys my January reset and how I use I love that orange smell. I use all of my little trial things that I get like at holiday time. And guess where they go? They go in little places like this. So I actually use them and they don't get thrown away a year from now. Now, the most important thing I carry everywhere, besides like your passport, I always, if you need a True Lime in the airport and you see me, I got you, sis. I don't go anywhere without True Lime to go into my diet soda. I love it. And people always think this is sugar. It's not sugar. This is just crystallized lemon. One packet equals like one slice of lime, which is amazing. And it just makes your soda taste so much better. I even had a flight attendant say, you should email Delta and tell them we need to have that. I have so many people that ask for it. So yeah, I think that's how I pack it. And then this little guy goes inside whatever bag I'm traveling with. So that's my first one. I especially love this one because it has the flowers. By the way, everything I'm talking about today, if it is still available, I will link it on my Shop My page. This is a really cool little site. I'll give you guys a quick look at it here. So here's a little peek at my Shop My page. So if it's available, I will link it here. We're going to talk about a few of these things today. And every season I usually have kind of a different curated list of cool things that I'm sharing with you. Every season I will refresh that, and it's usually just fun things I'm finding online. By the way, all the proceeds for, if you buy anything on my Shopify page, you can totally go to these websites directly. I don't care where you buy your things, but if you are shopping on my Shop My links, all of the proceeds go to our scholarship program. So what I do in the world is I'm a CEO in the travel industry. I help people launch, grow, and supersize travel businesses from home. And so sometimes students need a little help with their tuition. And so those proceeds go into our scholarship fund to help them. All right, let me show you some other fun things. There's some that are not on that page, and maybe I'll have to go back and see if we can find them, but my son got me this for Christmas, and I was like, this is my spring everything. How cute is this beautiful little Mickey watch? Oh my gosh. And it has all the little flowers in there. I love this. It's just a citizen watch. But I love the color. I love that it has flowers. I love flowers all year round. If you're not already following over on Instagram, but every Sunday I go to Trader Joe's and I make the flower bouquets. My daughter got me a flower subscription for Christmas. I love flowers. So this was such a cute find. And I think it goes like with everything because all the different color flowers are in there, especially spring colors. So I love that. That was one as well. The sweater that I'm wearing is actually from Talbot's. And I think it's also like spring cute, right? I shared here on this channel is we taught you guys how to do your own color analysis using AI for free. But one of the things I learned about going through that color analysis process was pastels are not for me. Pastel colors are not. I love pastels. I love all of those bright springy colors, but I have to lean more into greens and or teals or like burnt oranges or olives and things like that. So when it comes to springtime, I try to find ways where I can feel springy in my wardrobe without it not being outside of like what matches with me. So this is one of the greens I can get away with. I feel like you guys let me know in comments. If you don't feel that way, that's okay too. But I found this on Talbot's and it had the flowers with the blue, which I thought was really, really cute. All right, what else am I using at home? So I don't use this one as much all year long, but the Chanel Gardenia, I love this scent, especially in the springtime. It's super flowery. It's definitely sweet, dependent on what you like. And I know perfumes are there's ones I definitely do not love, and you have to kind of try them out, make sure it's a fit for you. That's why I always love getting the samples and seeing what you love. But this is my kind of spring scent. This is the one I'm rotating in for sure. Now, this one here, oh my gosh, you guys, this little girl went viral. I don't know if she's still available. Check the link, depending on when you watch the video, but you're thinking, Cindy, what is this? So just like for my airport bag, I have this. I always have a really good high quality lotion with me. So this is Chanel's egg lotion. I fell in love with this when my daughter got it for me. And full disclosure, the black one is inside her. This is actually not what comes inside her. I'm using the one that I had left first. So this is my own that I bought just the lotion only. It's normally the white one that comes inside here. So just know that for future. But it looks just like this, but it will be the white color. And I'm really getting like nice hands today on this video. We're gonna a little self-care while we're here. But I love this lotion. It's so light and I love it. And it has this little, it's just the cutest thing. But I love that it fits right in there. And also when I'm done with the lotion, I can use this as like an AirPods case, or I can use it as another cute little pouch in my purse. So I just thought these little denim and Chanel They are having a moment right now. So I just picked this up and I thought it was super, super cute. Now, while we're on cosmetics, and this one I have not picked up yet, but it is on my Shop My page. I saw this just this morning come across my feed from another creator who has some cool stuff on their site, and it's with Dior. And it is a bronzer compact, but it's from the new collection. This is so cute. I'm gonna pull it up here for you guys so you can see. So how cute is this? If you notice, it has like the little butterfly and the actual, what I'm told is it's the actual like leather inlay that's on there. And so I think this is super cute. It just got on my radar today. I did add it over on my Shop My page, but I think I'm gonna pick this up. I just think this is so cute for spring. And I don't really have a bronzer I travel with right now. So I think that will be a ton of fun to pick up. So I'm excited about that one that I wanted to share as well. And while we're talking Dior, I've shared these on the channel already, so you may have seen these, but you guys, the new direction at Dior, the new collections are so beautiful. They always leaned like feminine. So Dior's always been kind of one of my favorite brands, but this new designer is just knocking it out of the park. And I love for travel these little, I know they call them mitzvah scarves, but some people call them twillies for, oh my gosh, the florals and for tying these around your bags or around your neck or all the things. I know you've seen me on videos or on Instagram. I also like to pair this with like an Hermes, the little twilly, the Moore's twilly ring. I'll tie it with that. But I mean, honestly, you can just tie it in a bow. You don't even need anything extra or however you would want to tie it. I just think these are so adorable. And the colors, I can't tie this backwards because I don't have a mirror, so it's probably not the cutest look. But I'll pop in a picture here so you guys can see what it looks when I kind of style it out. But these are so pretty. So this was the second one that I bought, and I have not seen it in boutique. It is on the website as of this morning. It's supposed to be like a watercolor, and I was laughing with the essay. I was like, it looks like I put it through the washer and it just ran, but it just has that whole like Monet watercolor kind of feel, and so I love this. So these are things that will absolutely, I'll pop into my suitcase. They travel so well, and without having to bring a bunch of scarves, I can just add and change the look of the bag that I'm carrying, because I don't like to bring a ton of bags when I travel. One, for security, but also like just like luggage space. If I'm going somewhere, I'm usually wanting to shop or, not wanting to carry heavy bags. So I usually bring one, maybe two bags and go from there. All right, here's the second one. And this is my favorite. This color, this honestly just reminds me of like my grandma's like kitchen towel. I don't know. Like this would have been something that would have been in my grandma's house like in the 50s or 60s before I was born. But I just love these colors. I think they're so pretty. And I always look at the end of the scarves too, because this is really what's going to show dependent on how you tie it. So always look at the end of your scarves, whether it's a full size scarf or you're doing like a twilly or a mitzvah scarf, you want to look at that, because then when you tie it all up and you have an end kind of hanging, you want to make sure it's super cute. So I just love that. It's the flowers, but it's like in the shape of a heart. That's so good. So those are great. And look, you can get twillies all different kinds of places, but for spring, you guys, Dior is knocking it out of the park. So I'm obsessed. I really like it. Let me know which one you like the best below, or if you have another recommendation of one I don't know about, I'd love to hear about that too. All right, what else do we have happening spring-wise? Oh, this coat. I'm still deciding. I just got this in the mail. It still has a tag on it because it's, again, colors I probably shouldn't be wearing, but I love this short trench, and this is from Anthropologie. So cute. Hang on, let me put this girl on so you guys can see. I mean, it's a little bright and it's definitely not in my color wheel for sure. So I would be breaking the rules, but I just feel is cute. But you guys tell me what we think about the trench. Should I keep it? Guys, let me know what you think. Is it too bright? I don't know. I'm debating whether or not I'm going to keep that one. We'll see. I do think that she's cute. And if that was in your color palette, oh my gosh, that would be such a cool spring addition, especially if you're traveling. I don't like long trenches. I like short trenches, but I hate being cold on airplanes. So being able to throw that on, I think, would be amazing. All right, what else do we have? You got to have a new spring nail. I think Chanel's ballerina is always a safe bet. So love this one. Now this one goes on really, really light. So depending on how you like your nail polish, I also have one in that I like from Dior that I don't have yet, but it's kind of like a shimmery kind of, I don't know the name. It's on the Shop Mine, but it's kind of like a shimmery orange. I'll pop in a picture here so you guys can see it. That one's cute too, but that's an easy way, inexpensive way to freshen up your wardrobe where it doesn't cost a ton of money and it just feels amazing. All right, next up is this cute little jewelry plate from Rifle Paper Co. I love these because it's literally just a little spot where I put my jewelry. So I have one during holiday time. I showed you guys my Nutcracker one. This is the one that I use in spring where it's kind of a catch-all tray and I'll pop my jewelry or anything else kind of hanging around as well. All right, now I want to go back here just for a second. How cute is this? Now this is the one that's in pink, and then you can pick whichever case that you want. So I think this is such a cool like gift, especially if you are traveling to somewhere like Paris to bring something home that would be such a unique gift. I think this is such a fun one. All right, I think so guys, there's more stuff on the Shop My page, but I want to get to our little unboxing that we have today. I wanted to show you what I got. Now, earlier in the year, I showed you these shoes that I was obsessed with from the new collection, and I love them. I got them. I'm so happy with them. And I've been watching the website because I'm like, do I buy the matching wallet? Like nobody ever sees the wallet, but I would see the wallet. It would make me happy. And the other day I was having my coffee and of course checking all my favorite links and sites. And I was like, oh no, it says the last one available. Like now is the moment. I'm either going to get it or not. And I haven't seen it in person because any of the boutiques I've visited recently have not had it. So I was able to pop into the boutique in Houston. I was here in Orlando. I think those were the only two recently, but neither one of them had this actual one. So let's go ahead and unbox this girl together, shall we? Oh, love this. I always loved Dior's packaging. So cute, which by the way, for spring, their Mother's Day packaging, so cute. All right, let's peek in here. See all the good things. The little sticker off. It even has its own, it's only a wallet, but it has its own little dust bag. How cute is this? Okay, let's see what we got here. Oh my gosh, I love her. So good, you guys. Let me take off this little pin real quick. Oh, I guess it's gonna hang there until I take it off. So how cute is this? Adorable. And this is like the little, it has a little spot for your cards, which I love because I don't actually love a big wallet. I love little wallets I can fit just enough, carry a card or two, and have a spot for, you know, my 20 bucks that I carry around everywhere. So it has like the little zipper for a little zipper spot for your change or your cash. And then it just has a spot. Oh, it actually does have in the back, it looks like there's two where you can put the actual cards in. I know that's hard to see because it's so dark, but there's a spot to put your cards right back there. And then just the open area. And also they made this wallet in like a super light blue, which is beautiful. I have that linked for you because they do still have that one left. They did also have it in pink, but those sold out super quick. Originally, I wanted the pink one, and I was so sad that it sold out. I went everywhere trying to find it, but then I was like, you know what? I have the shoes, and I love the shoes. I'm obsessed with them. Why not like have this? And also, again, I don't have a lot of pastels in my wardrobe since I kind of cleansed my closet. So this one goes with everything. I have a lot of bags that this just matches really well. And navy for me is like a neutral. It goes with everything. So I love it. I think she's so pretty. So I'm excited to be adding that little treasure for spring to the collection. So guys, I want to remind you as we wrap up the video, true wealth is health, joy, and happiness. Everything else is just sparkle, but we do love the sparkle. But honestly and truly, I hope you're having an amazing spring. Stay tuned. We're going to have so much great content. I'm going to be taking you guys on a huge adventure next month. We're going to Paris. We're going to the Nordics. We're going to a lot of cool places next month. And then I come back. I'm home for like 48 hours. And then I head off to California for a speaking event that I'm speaking at. So lots of cool stuff happening next month. Make sure you're following along in Instagram so you can see the shenanigans in real time. Of course, we'll be documenting over there, and then I'll have lots to report back on as we get back to Orlando after that as well and head into, at that point, it'll be summer season. So thanks for watching today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop me a little note below if you're new to our community. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys. Have a great day.